Hi everybody, it's Earl again, coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com. Check out this beautiful 1967 GTO convertible powered by a 400 with a Th400 trans. Power steering, power brakes, red line tires. All quarters are original. Car is straight, and we're going to go through this puppy so you know exactly what you're getting when you get this thing home. Top is down, but the top, I took tons of pictures. They're online. Excellent condition. Let's take a look at this beautiful, beautiful GTO. Iconic Pontiac muscle. Look at the stance. Just wanting to run. Look at that. Let me get down. Paint is good all the way throughout this car. I'll find something. Look at how nice that is. Clean. This thing was well loved. Let me get down on angle here. There we go. All the way through. No brakes, really nice. Front chrome in great shape. All your lights and turn signals are working. All your gauges are working correctly. Look at how it lines up. Hood's in good shape all the way through. Lines up great. Good gaps. Nice nostril. All the chrome around all the glass is good. Vent glass is good. Dual mirrors on the car, which are great. Front fender's in excellent condition. All your badging's beautiful. Look at that gap. It doesn't get any better than that. To the fender, same. Just awesome. Let me grab the keys. Got them. Rear quarter, no paint flaws, laser straight. All the chrome on the bottom's great. This is a nice car. Rear chrome bumper in good shape. All your lights in the back are working, all your badging. Trunk lines up wonderful. Spare tire, original trunk lid, stamped, original, All your weather stripping in the whole entire car has been gone through and is done good. Trunk is excellent, folks. Nothing to talk about. Car cover, spare, jack, everything the way it should be. Solid. Rear quarter, good. I see a tiny little door ding. You can't see it, but I can. It's so tiny, but it's there. I knew I'd find something. All the chrome on the bottom's good. All your badging lines up perfect, just the way it should. It's a real car, guys and gals. All your gaps from the fender to the door are great. You got the vent windows here, which are wonderful. Get those open. I'm gonna put you down for a minute. Let me get this hood open. There we go. All right. 400 power brakes, fresh system inside there. Numbers matching. Repeat, this is a numbers matching car, folks. Power steering, alternator, air conditioning. That's right, vintage air system. All your hoses and belts are good. Freshly done. Inside here, original manifolds are on there. Front end's been done, I can see. Nice. Clean. Master shut-off switch for electric, for power of the battery. All your hinges are good, hood is good. Nice. Really, really clean. Interior, like I said, top is new, it's black. Seat belt's intact, interior is clean. All your door panels are great. Look at that. This is a nice car. All original welds. Dash all the way through with no cracks. Sun visors intact. All your gauges are working. $97,795 miles. It reads. It's been totally redone. Clean, clean, clean. Also comes with a bunch of receipts for everything that was done on the car. It's got a big envelope full of tons of paperwork. Pretty thick. I call it 1.5 inches thick. Oh, wrong key. Let's see what we got here. Nice. All right, giddy up, GTO. It's got a his and her shifter. Like I said, this is a factory car. Numbers matching. Oh, she wants to run. Th400 cubic inch wants to go. All right. Giddy up, baby. Giddy up. Stop's good. Brakes are straight. No pulling. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Nice and tight. No funky noises. Steering's tight. Just see. Let's get on this baby a little bit. Oh, yeah. Still a little cold. We'll send it through its test. This is a nice car. No funky noises. Nice. Yeehaw! Get him, boy. Get him. Oh, this thing goes. This thing scoots. This is nice. Oh, this is a good cruiser. No funky noises. Just nice and tight. Goes through the gears well. If you're looking to do some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 639 to a 739, go to my website, mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car. Minimum down 10%. We'll go up to 84 months with good credit. If you're a 740 and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Fill out the application. Usually about a 24-hour approval rate. Sometimes no money down. Again, 84 months. We've got over 120 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery. We ship all over the United States, bonded and insured, opened and enclosed. Yeah, second gear scratch. There we go. If you have any questions on any of our vehicles or need quotes on shipping, please text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. Yeah! Nice. She shifts well. Oh, yeah. Nice. That was 75, folks. 75 miles an hour. This thing scoots. We are located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We're here Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. If you want to get in, you want to look at the car, talk to it, talk to me, you need to text me so I can get you an appointment, or call me at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Tell your friends and foes. And thank you for spending some time with me on this 1967 Pontiac GTO. This thing is really nice. You're going to be happy having it. Give me a call. Have a great day, everybody.